Have you ever seen someone with immense power get completely shut down? Today, we're diving into a courtroom drama that feels straight out of a movie. It's the story of a high-flying, powerful lawyer who thought they were untouchable, only to be brought crashing back down to earth by a judge who simply wasn't having it. This isn't just a tale of legal wrangling. It's a masterclass in humility, respect, and the incredible moment when justice reminds everyone that no one is above the law. Picture this: a packed courtroom. On one side, you have a legal team representing a massive corporation. Leading them is a lawyer known for their aggressive tactics, sharp suits, and an even sharper tongue. This lawyer has a reputation for bending the rules, intimidating witnesses, and generally running the show. They walk in with an air of absolute confidence, almost like they own the place. Their success record is legendary, and many believe they're invincible in the legal arena. In their world, victory is everything, and the courtroom is just their stage. On the other side, a much smaller, less funded legal team is fighting for what they believe is right. The odds are stacked against them. In the middle of it all, presiding over the case, is the judge. This judge is known for their calm demeanor, meticulous attention to detail, and an unwavering commitment to fairness. They've seen every trick in the book and have a reputation for being firm but fair. They've earned respect not through intimidation, but through integrity. The case itself is complex, involving a dispute that could have major financial implications. From the very beginning, the powerful lawyer starts their usual performance. They interrupt opposing counsel, make sarcastic asides just loud enough for the jury to hear, and treat the judge's instructions more like gentle suggestions than direct orders. They roll their eyes, sigh dramatically when a ruling doesn't go their way, and constantly push the boundaries of professional conduct. It's a strategy designed to unsettle the opposition and project an image of dominance. To them, the courtroom is a battlefield, and they are its conquering general. For the first few days of the trial, the judge is patient. They issue gentle reminders. "Counselor, please allow your colleague to finish their statement." "Counselor, that's enough." "Counselor, let's maintain the decorum of this court." Each warning is delivered with a calm, steady voice, but you can feel the tension slowly building. The powerful lawyer, however, mistakes this patience for weakness. They see the judge's calm approach as a green light to push even harder, to become even more audacious. They believe they have the judge and the entire courtroom under their thumb. That was their first and most critical mistake. The breaking point arrives during the cross-examination of a key witness. The witness is visibly nervous, and the powerful lawyer sees an opportunity. They start firing off questions in a rapid, aggressive manner, twisting the witness's words and trying to paint them as unreliable. The opposing counsel objects, "Your Honor. Counsel is badgering the witness." The judge sustains the objection. "Counselor, please rephrase your question and moderate your tone." Instead of complying, the lawyer scoffs. They turn to the judge, a smirk playing on their lips, and say, "Your Honor, with all due respect, I believe I know how to conduct a cross-examination. I'm just trying to get to the truth, which seems to be a bit elusive here." The disrespect is palpable. A hush falls over the courtroom. Everyone, the jury, the clerks, the gallery freezes, waiting to see what will happen next. This is a direct challenge to the judge's authority. The judge slowly takes off their glasses, places them carefully on the bench, and leans forward. The calm demeanor is gone, replaced by a gaze as sharp and solid as steel. The room feels like it's dropped 20 degrees. When the judge finally speaks, their voice is low, clear, and carries an authority that cuts through the arrogance like a knife. "Counselor," the judge begins, the single word hanging in the air. "Let me be perfectly clear. The respect you claim to have is not evident in your tone, your posture, or your conduct. In this courtroom, I am the one who determines the procedure. I am the one who ensures a fair trial. I am the one who defines what is and is not acceptable." The judge pauses, letting the words sink in. The lawyer's smirk has vanished, replaced by a look of stunned disbelief. "They've never been addressed like this before," the judge continues, their voice unwavering. "You are a guest in this house. Your reputation, your wins, and your opinion of your own abilities mean absolutely nothing here. What matters is the law. What matters is justice. And what matters is the respect that is owed to this institution and to every single person in it. From the witness on the stand To the clerk sitting to my right, you are not here to perform. You are not here to intimidate. You are here to serve as an officer of the court, a role you seem to have forgotten. Your behavior up to this point has been a disgrace to the profession. It has been a calculated display of arrogance designed to disrupt these proceedings. Then came the final, crushing blow. The judge looks directly at the lawyer, their eyes locking. This is not a suggestion, it is an order. You will apologize to the witness. You will apologize to opposing counsel. You will apologize to this court. Then you will proceed with your cross-examination in a civil and professional manner. If you are unable or unwilling to do so, I will hold you in contempt of court, and you can spend the rest of the day contemplating your conduct from a jail cell. Do you understand me, counselor? The silence in the courtroom is absolute. You could hear a pin drop. The powerful lawyer stands frozen, their face pale. The entire facade of invincibility has been shattered in less than a minute. All the power, all the prestige, all the bravado was gone. They were just a lawyer, standing before a judge who had reminded them of their place. Slowly, meekly, the lawyer nods. Yes, Your Honor. Their voice is barely a whisper. They turn to the witness. I apologize. They turn to the opposing table. I apologize. Finally, they turn back to the bench. And I apologize to the court, Your Honor. From that moment on, the trial was completely different. The lawyer's entire demeanor changed. The arrogance was gone, replaced by a humbled, almost timid professionalism. They asked their questions respectfully, followed the rules to the letter. They had been put in their place, and the lesson was learned in the most public and unforgettable way possible. This story is so powerful because it reminds us that true authority doesn't come from aggression or ego. It comes from integrity, fairness, and a deep-seated respect for the rules and the people around you. The judge didn't need to shout or bang a gavel. Their power came from their unwavering commitment to justice and their refusal to let anyone, no matter how powerful, undermine it. It's a moment that restores your faith in the system. It shows that even when it seems like the rich and powerful can get away with anything, there are still people in positions of authority who will stand up for what's right. The judge didn't just win a battle of wills. They upheld the very principles that our legal system is built on. It was a shocking moment, but also a deeply satisfying one, proving that sometimes the quietest voice in the room is the most powerful one of all. What do you think about the judge's actions? Was it a necessary takedown, or was it too harsh? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you enjoyed this story of justice being served, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.